and welcome to our FP show. It is the last student-led assembly of this year. We do more, of course, in the second half of the year, but this is our final one for 2024. Today is a special assembly. Why? Because we also have the candle lighting assembly mixed in with our FP assembly. So we are really excited about that. Can we, students, please give a big, warm welcome to our parents who joined us today. Also, FP, 1, 2, 3, eyes on me. Also, we have special guests with us here this morning. Can you please give another warm welcome to our chairman of the board, Madame Lee, and our head of school, Mr. Park. In a moment, we are going to get ready. We have lots of kids who are behind the scenes to make things happen smoothly today. The first two that I would like to introduce, please give a warm welcome to our MCs, Elena and Steve.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and boys and girls. My name is, welcome to our Winter Senior Assembly. My name is Steve, and this is my wonderful co-host, Elena.
Hi everyone, we're so excited to celebrate this magical season with you. We've got a fantastic lineup for you today, filled with music, games, and special moments.
Yes, and today's show is not just about winter, it's also about something very important at our school, community. So get cozy and let's kick things off.
Community is about working together, supporting each other, and making everyone feel like they belong. Just like we're all part of one big winter wonderland.
Throughout today's show, you'll see how we build community at CDS and celebrating one another.
Let's start with a special performance by our sing-along lab. Please join them in singing Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer.
They certainly brought the holiday cheer. Now it's time to enjoy a video made by our friend in a student-led assembly lab.
You need to go to that empty space. Yes, Sarah, welcome to the lecture. Sure. But dear me, just because it's a new girl. Whatever. The class is boring too. Okay, class. The class has ended. Now you can have free time for 5 minutes. I'm bored. I should ask them if I can play together. Can I play together?
Okay.
You should include Yanni. What's wrong with letting her play? No, we shouldn't. Why would you ever let her join? Because she's lonely. That's our problem. We're making fun. Yes, it's our problem. We are a community. That is like a big family. We should include everyone. Okay, let's include.
Okay, Andy, let's play. You're the principal.
Yeah, I am. Alright, we have made a big choice for including a new student. Here, have a bunch of candy.
Yummy! Yay! Thank you.
Fantastic! It really showed how we work together to make our school welcoming and friendly place for everyone.
Absolutely. And now it's time for performance our talented second graders. And they will be performing the seasonal classic, Jingle Bells. going to explain what community means to them.
Community means helping each other. Community means listening to each other. Community means I happy life in Canada. Community means fairness and kindness. Community means working together. Community means kindness. Community means for people. Community! Community means being to someone. Community means kind to others. Community means teamwork. Community means helping others. Community! Community means people living in peace. Community means people who make the world a better place. Community means about helping, talking, and defending other people. Community means sharing ideas and collaborating by teamwork. Community means to help others. Community means to work together. Community means sharing in groups of people. Community! Community means to tell others our opinions. Community means to include everyone. Community means to work together. Community means sharing ideas. Here. Shall we talk some bed with us? Rabbit asked. Talk with us. Those are about the answers. Let's go with listening to each other.
Ooh, that was fantastic. They really showed how we work together to make our school a welcoming and friendly place for everyone. Speaking of friendly fun, it's time to bring in a bit of competition with our Winter Theme Minute to Winning Challenge.
Please welcome our game hosts, Rahi and Luna, to the stage.
called hula hoop pass. This is how you play. First, everyone will stand, and when you get the hula from one of our hosts, you will each need to get through the hula and pass it along without letting go of your hands. The hula hoop must pass through everyone before the timer runs out. We need some volunteers. Let's practice. What an amazing effort for everyone. Let's play. What an amazing effort from everyone. You gave your all, and we love seeing your energy and determination. And now, as a special thank you for participating, we've got something on the interview, a solar-powered car-STEM kit. This kit will let you build and explore the amazing power of renewable energy. So even though our game is over, the fun and learning doesn't stop here.
Definitely. And we have a little surprise from one of our parents in the audience. One lucky sit will take home a gift card. M9.
It's kind of like what they did in
Teachers started awarding points to students based on positive behaviors like kindness, teamwork, and hard work.
Each house team was together to earn points, and at the end of the quarter, the house with the most team will win a special prize.
Let's check in to see where our house is stand. And remember, cheer on your house as we read out the points.
Water has earned 292 points.
Now, as we end our assembly, we have a special tradition to share with everyone, a candlelight ceremony.
This ceremony is a way to celebrate the warmth, kindness, and light that each of us bring to our school community. It reminds us that even in the coldest months, our hearts stay warm by helping and supporting one another.
First, we would like to welcome the chairman of the board, representative of faculty, representative of staff, and representative of administration to light a candle.
I light this candle on behalf of first program teachers.
I light this candle on behalf of first program administration.
I like a candle. Do you know me? I am Madam Lee.
Now, please welcome our students' representative to the stage as they read The Shortest Day by Susan Cooper and the Light a Candle.
Everywhere down the centuries of the snow-white world. Came people singing and dancing to grand design.
So the shortest day came and the year died, and everywhere down the centuries of the snow-white world came people singing and dancing to drive the dark away. They lighted candles in the winter trees, they hung their homes in evergreen.
They burned blazing fires all night long to keep the year alive. And when the new year's sunshine blazed away, they shouted, reveling.
Through all the frosty ages, you can hear them echoing behind us. Listen, all the long echoes sing the same delight this shortest day.
As promise wakens in this sleeping land, they carol of peace, give thanks, and dearly love their friends.
And hope for peace, and so do we hear love.
Welcome you this year, and every year welcome you.
I light this candle on behalf of fifth grade. I light this candle on behalf of fourth grade.
I light this candle on behalf of third grade.
I light this candle on behalf of second grade.
I light this candle on behalf of fifth grade. of Gigi.
What a beautiful way to end our show today. Thank you to everyone who joined us to celebrate community and the winter season.
We hope you enjoyed today's assembly, and remember, being part of community is meaning spreading kindness, warmth, and joy wherever you go.
Happy winter break, everyone. Stay warm, stay kind, and we'll see you in the new year.
First program. That concludes our first program assembly for today. We want to, as always, recognize some of the special people who helped to make today so smooth. Starting off with those up in the booth, we have Mr. Tronsgaard and Mr. Hitchcock. Let's give them a round of applause. And the students in the booth who are helping with lights and sound and the videos and the microphones and everything that helps today go smoothly. Let's give a round of applause to Faith, Pia, Gianni, and Jin. And you probably saw some students wearing the headsets. Those are our stage hands. They're the ones who help to get everything set up here on stage. We couldn't do this without them. A round of applause, please, for Alan, Jaden, Joanne, and Junsu. And of course, a round of thanks to our MCs, which are Elena and Steve. And finally, behind the scenes, we have a wonderful collaborative team of teachers who help to work with these students day in, week out, and they meet on a regular basis to help facilitating our collaborative teams. They are led by Miss Miranda Stewart. Let's give them a wonderful round of applause. That concludes our FP assembly for today. Students, you are going back to the classrooms to have our house breakfast. Middle and high school are coming here to do their assembly and their candlelight ceremony. We are going to ask that JK and SK please exit first out of the bottom doors, and that grade 3s please exit first out of the middle doors. For all the parents who came today,